Warnock from Georgia is recognized.
Thank you so very much. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, Chairman Powell and Secretary Yellen for being here. Yesterday, it was reported that the regional Federal Reserve Bank presidents in Dallas and Boston are resigning, following earlier reports that they were actively trading their private investments while the bank was intervening in the markets. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, many experts have underscored the importance of maintaining the independence of the central bank. Independence, of course, is necessary before the pandemic, after the pandemic, during the pandemic. Even though neither serves now as voting members of the Federal Open Market Committee, this is a blow to the image of the central bank, serving as an impartial and independent agency charged with maintaining stability in pricing and employment. Chairman Powell, what immediate actions have you taken to ensure the impartiality of the Fed, and what systems already are in place failed here, and how do you plan to fix them going forward?
So we take our need to sustain the public's trust is the essence of our work. We want them to public to understand that we're working for all Americans, so we don't like to be having these concerns raised. It's really something that's very, very concerning. So as soon as I learned of it, I directed our staff to undertake a review of our practices. We've had in place a set of practices around investments and trading and disclosure that seems to have worked for a long time, only it's clearly, it's really not working now. And we understand now that we need to modify our practices, and we're in the process of creating ideas and recommendations for that. That's one thing that we're doing. We're also looking carefully at the trading that was done to make sure that it's in compliance with our rules and with the law.
But the rules seem to have broken down. Do you think there needs to be any changes in the trade?
Yes, I'm 100% sure there is a need for those, and there will be. And I don't know precisely what they will be, but the appearance is just obviously unacceptable. And even if, as appears to be the case, these trades were in compliance with the existing rules, that just tells you the problem is that the rules and the practices and the disclosure needs to be improved, and that's what we're working on. We will rise to this moment and address this forthrightly.
I agree. Confidence in the central bank is essential, and I look forward to working with you on this issue and also working with Chairman Brown, who's working on legislation. Let me change topics. I'm a strong advocate for